You just installed a brand new SSD or HDD, but Windows isn't seeing it. Don't panic. I'm going to guide you through fixing that in under 90 seconds. First, let's double-check the physical connections power off your PC completely. Unplug it, and open the case. Ensure the SATA data cable is securely plugged into both your new drive and a port on your motherboard also. Verify the SATA power cable from your power supply is firmly attached to the drive. Next, let's check if Windows even recognizes the hardware at a basic level. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Look for disk drives and expand that category if your new drive is listed, even with a yellow exclamation mark. That's a good sign. If it's not there at all, revisit your physical connections. Now, the most common fix: initializing the disk. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Disk Management. You should see your new drive listed, likely as not initialized, or showing unallocated space. Right-click the disk itself, not a partition, and choose Initialize Disk. In the Initialize Disk window, make sure both your new drive is checked and choose GPT for newer systems, or if you have a UEFI BIOS for older systems, MBR might be necessary, but GPT is generally recommended. Click OK. Your drive should now show as unallocated. Right-click this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will appear. Just click Next through the initial screens, accepting the default settings. When asked to format the partition, give it a drive letter like D or E and ensure it's formatted as NTFS. Click Next all the way to completion. And there you have it. Your new SSD or HDD should now appear in File Explorer, ready for use. If it's still not showing, try updating your storage controller drivers through Device Manager or consult your motherboard manufacturer's support for specific guidance. Happy computing!